Assalamu alaikum all of you. Welcome to our video on noun and kinds of noun. In this video we are going to learn about noun and its kinds. Look at the definition of noun. A noun is the name of any person, place, thing, animal or an idea. Look at here, person, Horera, John, place, New York, Koida, thing, car, marker, animal, dog, cat, an idea, happiness, greatness. These are names, therefore we call them nouns. Look at the examples to understand more about nouns. Zahur drives carefully. In this sentence, Zahur is your noun and it refers to the name of a person. And second example, Koida is very beautiful. In this sentence, Koida is your noun and it refers to the name of a place. And the third example, dogs do not eat grass. Dogs is your plural noun and it refers to the name of animals. Look at the fourth example, happiness is everything. In this sentence, happiness is your noun and it refers to the name of an idea. And the last example, turn on the light. In this sentence, light is your noun and it refers to the name of a thing. In simple words, noun is a naming word. Whenever you see or hear a name, understand that it's your noun. And look at the kinds of nouns. There are several kinds of nouns, including common nouns. Look at the definition. Common nouns are general names for people, places, things, or animals. General names. These are what? These are general names. General names means that these names can refer to a group or a category rather than a specific person, place, or a thing. Got that? Look at the examples. Teacher. Teacher is a common noun because it can refer to any teacher like Horera, John, Zahur, and it doesn't refer to any specific teacher. Got that? Look at the second example. City. City is a common noun because it can refer to many different cities like New York, Koida, etc. And the last example, animal. Animal is also a common noun because it can refer to many different animals. Got that? On the other hand, we have proper nouns. Look at the definition. Proper nouns are specific names for people, places, things, or animals. These are what? These are specific names. Specific names means that these names are exact or special. Got that? And in addition to this, your proper nouns are always capitalized in writing. Whenever you have to write a proper noun in your writing, whether in the beginning of the sentence, in the middle of the sentence, or by the end of the sentence, you have to capitalize it everywhere. Got that? Look at the examples. John. John is a proper noun because it is the name of a specific person. Got that? Look at the second example. New York. New York is a proper noun because it is the name of a specific place. Similarly, the last example, Great Expectations. Great Expectation is a proper noun because it is the name of a specific book. Got that? And in short, common nouns are general names. On the other hand, proper nouns are specific names. After proper noun, we have collective noun. Look at the definition. Collective noun is the name of a group of people or animals. Got that? Look at the examples. Team. Team is a collective noun because it is the name of a group of people. Flock. Flock is a collective noun because it is the name of a group of animals or birds. And family is also a collective noun because it is the name of a group of people like parents, children. In simple words, in short, collective nouns are the names of group of people or animals. After collective nouns, we have abstract nouns. Look at the definition. Abstract nouns are actually the names of quality. These are the names of quality like happiness, goodness, action, laughter, obedience. And these are the names of concepts: freedom, justice, and these are also the names of state: childhood, brotherhood, etc. Got it? These are the names of what? Quality, action, concepts, states. And these names cannot be perceived through our senses. What are our senses? Hear, touch, taste, smell, and or see. We cannot be aware of, we cannot perceive these nouns through our senses. Understood? In simple words, abstract nouns are the nouns that cannot be perceived through our senses. Look at here, happiness. Look at the example, happiness. Can you see happiness? Can you touch it? Can you hear it? Can you taste it? No, it cannot be. And similarly, look at the second example, freedom and childhood. These are the nouns that cannot be perceived through our senses. Got that? On the other hand, we have what? On the other hand, we have concrete nouns. Concrete nouns are the nouns that can be perceived through our senses, like see, hear, touch, taste, smell. It is contrasted with what? It is contrasted with abstract nouns. Abstract nouns cannot be perceived. Concrete nouns can be perceived through our senses. Look at the examples: book, park, chair. These nouns can be perceived through any of our senses. Book can be seen and touched. Park can be seen. Chair can be seen and touched. Got that? And after concrete nouns, we have compound nouns. Look at the definition. Compound nouns are the nouns that that are formed by combining two or more words. Compound nouns are the nouns that are formed by combining two or more words. Look at the examples. Daughter-in-law. Daughter-in-law is your compound noun because it is formed by combining three words. One is daughter, second is in, and the third is la. These are combined and have formed what? Have formed a compound noun. And often we put hyphen between the words to combine them. Got it? Same. Likewise, look at the second example. Son-in-law. There are three words and they are combined. They have made one word, which is called compound noun. And sometimes we do not have to keep or put hyphen between them, but we make compound nouns by combining two or more words. Look at this example: textbook. There are two words, one is book and the second is text. These are combined and they have created a new noun which is called compound noun. The next kind of noun is material noun. A material noun is the type of noun that refers to a material or substance from which things are made or from which something is made. Look at the examples. Wood. Wood is a material noun because table, chair is made from what? Is made from wood. And plastic. Plastic is a material noun because bottles are made from plastic, water bottles. And gold is a material noun because a ring, gold ring is made from it. In short, material nouns are the nouns from which things are made. Look at here, these are things which are made from these nouns, therefore they are called material noun. Got that? After material noun, we have the last possessive noun. Possessive nouns are the nouns that show ownership or possession of something. We add apostrophe s to the nouns to make them possessive nouns. Got that? Look at the examples. In the first phrase, Rashid's mobile, in this phrase, Rashid's is your possessive noun. It shows the ownership of mobile. It shows that mobile belongs to Rashid. Why? Because we have added apostrophe to it. Similarly, a student's book. In this, the apostrophe shows the ownership and has made it a possessive noun. It shows that the book belongs to the students. Likewise, the last example, cat's toy. In this phrase, cats is your possessive noun that shows that toy belongs to the cat. Got it? And now the question is how the possessive nouns are formed. Got it? Look at here, formation of possessive nouns. The first one, when the noun is singular, add apostrophe plus s. When the noun is singular, you have to add apostrophe plus s to the nouns to make them possessive nouns. Look at the examples. Cat's toy. Here the cat is singular, therefore we have added apostrophe plus s to make it a possessive noun. Got that? Look at the second example. Farid's mobile. In this, Farid is your singular noun, therefore we have added apostrophe plus s to it. And now look at the second one. When the noun is plural and ends in s, add only an apostrophe. Whenever a noun is plural and ends in s, you have to add apostrophe only. You do not have to add their s apostrophe plus s. Look at the examples. Boys college. Here the boys is your plural, therefore we have only added apostrophe to it. Likewise, girls is plural, therefore we have only added apostrophe to it. Understood? And look at the third one. When the noun is plural but doesn't end in s, add apostrophe plus s. When the noun is plural but is not ending with s, there you have to add apostrophe plus s. Look at the examples. Women's team. Now woman is plural but it doesn't end with s, therefore we have added apostrophe s to it to make it a possessive noun. Got that? And look at the fourth one. When a noun or title consists of several words, the possessive sign is attached to the last word. Whenever there is a noun phrase or a title that consists of many words, in that case you have to add the possessive sign to the last word. Where you have to add it? You have to add it to the last word. Look at the example. Shahin Shah. There are two words. It's a noun phrase, right? And therefore we have attached the possessive sign to the last word, not to the first. Another example, Rashid Ahmad Langav. There are three words, and if you have to attach the possessive sign, you will attach it to the last word, Langav's. Rashid Ahmad Langav's mobile. Got that? You do not have to add it to the first and second. You have to add it to the last one. I hope you have understood noun and kinds of noun. If you have any question related to noun and its kinds or need more clarification, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed the channel, subscribe it for further videos. Thank you.